So it's very possible that a lot of the pillars were at this wall barrier around them, and then now they cleaned them off. Looks like they've cleaned them off with all the different columns, just basic cement to fortify them. The upper part is very interesting. Has the different ways to look out. You can oversee the whole section. The section here near the road, but you can look down. It's very beautiful. Different section. You can see here in the door how it's made. The shape, fit the shape of this thing. Go through here and it just keeps going. Upper portion, you have these different walkways on both sides. On the long ways. You can look down through here. Different openings, either to observe the waterway or to see how much water is in the area. And there's an upper level here. You can see how it crosses over to the Solomon Mosque. On that side. Right up to see it out there. Far end, actually you can walk all the way around. It connects to the other side, but it doesn't connect normally to walk. Part has some upper stairways, upper door going up to the former church up there, which is now a mosque. This walkway here. Fascinating. So look here. You can see a little bit through all these different little holes. This is the upper level of this. You see the long corridor, and you can look down into the cistern, some of the roofs. Each one of these openings on top show a walkway in the side from the wall.